Hello everyone, Jeremy Sanford here, keynote speaker and business growth consultant, and I'm here to give you a moment of motivation. Today's topic is why your key players keep on leaving your company. Imagine this, you spent all these years building your business and then all of a sudden, all of the key players, your top employees, just continue to leave one by one, and you found that it's not about money, it's about something bigger. And if you don't fix the problem, you'll be bleeding the top talent within your organization. It's exhausting doing the hiring process. You hire them, you train them, and then all of a sudden they're gone. After all of that investment, now they're no longer with the company. The truth is, your employees did not quit their job, they quit you. The reason being is because they wanted something more. They wanted a future. They wanted a mission. They wanted to feel like they were invested in what they were doing. And the reason that they left is because there was not enough of a reason for them to stay. Here's some quick tips on how to fix the problem. Number one, make them feel like they belong. People stay where they feel seen, valued, and empowered. Celebrate them and celebrate the small victories that they achieve. Number two, give them a future. Nobody wants to stay at a dead-end job. Show them the path to leadership and how they can progress within the company. Remember that when you invest in their growth, you're actually investing back into your own company. Number three, create a culture of ownership. Employees tend to stay where they feel like they are owners and not just workers. Give them decision-making power and allow them to solve real problems. The truth is, your employees really do want to stay, but they need a reason, so give them one. If this message hit home, why don't you drop a thumbs up in the comment section and I'll send you a free ebook on how to retain your top employees. Again, this is Jeremy Sanford with your moment of motivation. We'll see you in the next one.